This is my new Insta360 One R vertical battery base and the bumper case. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect this to this. First, we remove the battery. We also need to remove this compartment door. You can see this compartment door connected by a so-called string. What you need to do is pull it out. Pretty easy. In the vertical base battery pack, you can see there's a compartment here. You need to fix this back. Can you see the hole? Yeah, just connect, just push it in. Okay. Okay, it's in, and see, it fits perfectly. You need this if you want it to be waterproof. Of course, if you are not going into the water, you don't have to put this back. You can just keep it removed for convenience, but you need to make sure you keep the compartment door at a safe place. So once you have fixed the compartment door, it's pretty straightforward. You just need to join them together and it's done. Some people might ask, why do you need to use the bumper case? Can't I just use with this? Fix a small tripod. And yes, you can just use it like that. Just like pretty similar to an Osmo Pocket. But there's one thing that I need to warn you. Without the bumper case, when you want to turn on the Insta360 One R from here, if you try to do it this way, it might detach the thing. Okay. So my advice is you need to exert pressure on this part too. So to mount the bumper case is pretty straightforward. There's two things that you need to align. One, this hole needs to align with the 1/4 inch tripod screw, and the button here needs to be aligned too. Bottom first, and push in from the top until you hear the click sound. That's it. One thing to take note if you are shooting with the 4K module, and if you shoot this way, you can see from the video that this is in a portrait mode. If you want a landscape, you need to shoot this way. For the 360 module, of course, makes no difference. You can shoot in whichever direction that you're comfortable with. But for the 4K module, if you want your video to be 16:9, you need to shoot in this position. If you shoot in this position, your video will be vertical. Okay, that's all for this simple tutorial. I definitely prefer this vertical battery base compared to this because red is definitely too eye-catching, and maybe because of I'm a 1X user, I'm used to this vertical design and I prefer this design.